God in the House: The Life and Times of Catholic Theologian Anthony Kosnik by Margaret Stack. God in the House is the previously untold story of the Reverend Anthony "Tony" Kosnik, the courageous Catholic priest and scholar who co-authored the groundbreaking 1977 report, Human Sexuality: New Directions in American Catholic Thought. Author Margaret Stack, a clinical psychologist, is not only a seasoned clinician and a former colleague of Anthony Kosnik, she was also his wife. Margaret brings depth and insight to this new narrative, exploring how Tony's conscience and courage intersected with the pressures of clerical life and theological debate. The result is a compelling book for individual reading and reflection, or for group discussion about themes of reform and resistance in the post-Vatican II Catholic Church. Enjoy watching author Margaret Stack as she sees God in the house for the very first time.
The big reveal. Woo! Okay.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to see this book, my book, about Tony for the first time. God in the House. Okay. And I'm opening it at FAR, which is Sebastian's special place, but it's also housed in the First Presbyterian Church of Birmingham, which is called Everybody's Church. So I think that this is a fitting place to open this book for this sacred moment. Oh my. And there it is. Oh my. It's all here.
God in the House is available for pre-sale now, wherever books are sold. For more information about God in the House, please see godinthehouse.com.